Our next story is another example of individuals helping an animal in trouble. Near Boston, firefighters respond to a very unusual call. A cat's head is stuck in a sewer cover and can't get out, leaving these puzzled rescuers wondering what to do.
Like he is. Yeah, I push him in, turn one ear in, like turn his nose down, cock it.
Now, how do they free this kitty? It's not every day these firemen come across such a bizarre situation. They spot the litter below as they pour vegetable oil over the cat's head, hoping it will serve as a lubricant and help them more easily slide the feline through the iron grating. The feline had earlier given birth to a litter of kittens in the storm drain, entering it through an open pipe. She apparently left her babies to look for food, and upon returning, tried to reach the litter by going headfirst through the top of the sewage cover. Because the kitty is so tense and terrified, it's unable to get free. Several different firefighters try their luck. But with no success.
Turn his nose down or up even.
It's frustrating for these compassionate rescuers because they won't leave the cat in this predicament, yet they can't help her. Finally, it's decided the best thing to do is take the whole sewage cover, cat and all, and bring the extremely heavy grating to an animal hospital. We learn later that a local vet sedated the cat, and once relaxed, the feline was pulled free. Meantime, firefighters had another rescue to perform, saving the 6 kittens. Carefully, they were all recovered and in good condition. We're also glad to report all of them were adopted.